Today we're going to be doing one of those maintenance things that you have to do on your vehicle. And we're going to try and do it ourselves to save some time and some money.
So we got some K&N cabin air filter and engine air filter. So it's a pretty easy modification, but definitely going to save us time, money in the future.
Let's get to it.
Yes, we can. So last time working on the last fit bulbs, we had to take out the air filter cover, and I dropped 1 out of the 4 clips. This time I'm handing it off to M. She's gonna have a better time on this than I did.
Well, it's gonna be a lot quicker because there's only 3 clips instead of 4. So it's just these 4 clips. Obviously we only have 3 to take off this. What is this? What is this?
So we were redoing a take, and now we dropped another one. We got 2 out of 4 clips.
Insert circus music.
Hey, well now we're even.
That's true. Are we finding it? I feel like we can because I didn't hear it. It felt like it just fell like right here. It didn't sound like it fell. We cannot lose another clip.
We can't be known that every time we do this, we lose them.
We only have 2 more. We can't lose any more. So you think we're not finding it?
We'll find it later.
That's what we said last time, and we never found it.
But this time we're talking about we're going to take the bumper off.
That's true.
To find it, but there's a reason for that in the future.
Stay tuned. Let's get back to it. All right, we're going to take off the intake cover, and thankfully these little clips right here do not fall off. I don't really know what they're actually called, but okay. Here we go. This is what we're swapping out. Definitely some dirt and bugs from Texas.
Let's see.
See in there?
Oh, wow. We only have like 12,000 miles on it.
Yeah. We're definitely doing this before the recommended time of
yeah,
to replace it.
We think it's 30,000 miles. But we do a lot of off-roading, so a lot of dust, a lot of dirt, and a lot of bugs.
Let's swap it out.
Let's do it.
We went with the trusted K&N because we can wash them, reuse them. It's like a buy it once and then you have it.
We have the same K&N filters in our 2015 Corolla, still going strong. It's just great products.
You think they gave us any stickers? Nope.
No stickers?
No stickers.
Oh man.
We love our stickers. All right. This is cool. Wow. This feels way more heavy duty than that actually. We're just gonna do a quick comparison. This is so awesome. It feels way more sturdy, and it's something you feel like you could scrub and that it's not gonna fall apart. And this is just one of those paper one-time use filters. So we're pretty happy with this. We're excited to put this in.
I don't know if this is too much, but maybe after every so often we go trailing, we're gonna take it out and rinse it. But we cannot lose any more clips, so maybe we'll buy a bag of clips.
Yeah, let's order that today. All right, which way we think it goes in? Sits like this or like this?
Any way that would be flush.
Okay, like so, right?
Oh yeah.
All right. We just got to make sure that this piece gets slotted in, and there's one on the other side as well. So you kind of got to shove it down a little and then put those metal clips back on. I don't really know what the metal things are called.
Retaining clips?
I'll take it.
I don't know. I'm just making up words by now.
No. All right, so we got that back in place. That's slotted in, and then let's put the retaining clips back on. Awesome. Done.
All right, so we are so far 2 out of 4 clips, and when we're putting it back, we cannot lose any more.
You have to do a clip and I have to do a clip.
Sounds like a deal. It's a plan.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Oh no. Forgot our own channel name.
All right, we're just gonna put it back in very carefully. I have a feeling it's gonna happen again.
Seeing wheelhouse 2, maybe one in the front. All right.
All right, ready? The satisfying.
All right, we didn't lose any.
Well, yes, we did. We just didn't lose any more.
Guess what we found?
Some stickers. I knew they'd be in there.
Yeah, I was playing with my hat, tossing it in the air, and I dropped my mic. So if audio is terrible, that's why.
Oh my gosh.
All right, I get to do the cabin. Let's take it to the passenger side. Have we looked in here yet?
What do we see? Poop bags?
Poop bags, manuals, trail maps.
That we're never gonna use.
All right, this is like another super simple thing, just like the engine air filter. You just go in here. Open that out. There's a clip back here. It's super simple.
Oh wow.
Out comes the old one.
That's easier than the Corolla.
Look at this.
Oh,
This is actually pretty dirty.
that's really dirty. That's actually the reason that we wanted to change our filters, because we were like, we should do the cabin one, and then we're like, might as well just do the engine one too. But that is dirty. Did you have these in the yours?
K&N is awesome.
Check out that video if you haven't. Johnny saying goodbye to his Yaris.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. We can wash it, we can really jet spray it to clean out all the, we got actually like leaves and stuff in here. Ooh,
That's
look at
crazy.
that. Look at that. All right, out goes that one.
Look, show people the screen. You can see how dusty the truck gets. Yeah. So this was due. That's all from off-roading.
Does it tell me which way is up? Does it matter? I'm gonna say no. Oops. This way? This is a recurring problem. So we never look at instructions. This was part of the paper cabin filter. Thought it was just trash. Throw it out, but the instruction says keep this, put this in this. Just like that. Okay, now it goes in. You gotta put this back too. Now we're done. You ever like work on a project and you're like end up with like extra screws or bits and pieces?
Oh.
Yeah. Not today. We're not gonna end up with anything extra, but we did lose we lose some pieces. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest and 1 being like the easiest, how hard was that install?
A 1. So easy, so simple. Watch out for those clips. But it's super easy, and honestly, doing this yourself, I don't know, can save you like a couple $100 if you're always going to the dealership to do it.
Yeah. So like I think we were looking at it'd be like $100 for both filters. I know like the engine one you may change it every 30,000, and the cabin one, you know, every 5,000 miles. But do it once. When you get your vehicle, it doesn't have to be a Tacoma, whatever. Just once you get that vehicle, buy a filter that you can wash. Do it once. Wash it yourself, so you're not spending time and money going to a parts store or dealership or anything like that. And it was also a 1, maybe a 0 on the difficulty scale for the cabin one.
Yeah, super simple. We didn't use any tools.
Yeah, this was like our first mod with no tools, so it was the easiest one, but long-term benefits.
Yeah, let us know what you do. Let us know, do you use OEM filters straight from Toyota or wherever your vehicle's from, or are you like us that use the K&N ones that you can wash?
And we know that we could get aftermarket intake, all that stuff, but we live in California and it's not legal, so we can't go that route yet. So K&N drop-in filters is the best bet for now.
Yeah.
So if California has some intakes that we can use, then we'll definitely be happy to install those.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and also check out our Instagram. We just got one.
Thanks for hanging out with us. This we Chan.
Yes, we can.